Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GT63 AMG. This one's a graphite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 bi-turbo pushing out 577 horsepower and 590 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, AMG red calipers, V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC plus badging, a magma gray black exclusive Napa leather interior with an anthracite poplar trim, sunroof, black Dynamica headliner, retractable rear wing, AMG GT63 badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, cargo cover, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic Plus with steering assist, speed limit assist, Burmeister sound system, warmth and comfort package with heated and cooled seats, AMG illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, ambient lighting, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls. This one also does have navigation once it loads up here, touchscreen media display, dynamic select for different driving patterns, different buttons for driving functions, exhaust, wing, suspension, traction control. This AMG has 1,363 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GT63 AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.